Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here, and as you can see, I'm still out hanging out in San Diego, out by the lake, relaxing and everything. And someone asked me the question. The question was, does CareCredit allow you to buy other products? Because a lot of people get the CareCredit, they think of maybe just going to the dentist and women getting BBLs and cosmetic surgery and stuff like that. But they're not aware that with CareCredit, you can actually shop with it, go grocery shopping with it, like buying fruits and vegetables and stuff like that, and toiletries, right? Now, here's the thing about it that some people are starting to become aware of, that after you have your CareCredit account for, let's just say, 6 months or more, then what's happening is Synchrony is actually turning into a regular Mastercard, right? And so by turning it into a regular Mastercard, of course, you can use that anywhere. But the cool part about it, since you can use that anywhere, like I'll tell you some of the stores that you can actually use this CareCredit at, all right? So you have Walmart, right? So you have CVS, you have Walgreens, you have Family Dollar, you have Dollar General, right? So you have these different stores that you can do. But one of the things in terms of what if you need money to liquidate, you can do a cash advance with the CareCredit Mastercard. However, if you don't want to do the cash advance, I would tell you the easiest way to liquidate your CareCredit Mastercard is to actually go inside the store, see if they offer those Visa gift cards, right? And then buy the Visa gift cards. Now, since it's already a Mastercard, the thing about it, I don't think you need to liquidate it, because you still can pay your rent with it. You can buy gas with it. You know, you can do anything with just like a regular credit card, because actually it is a regular credit card. Now, here's the reason why a lot of people like this CareCredit card. All right, the CareCredit, because it's one of the lowest totem pole cards you can get, right? Now, it's through Synchrony Bank, but you can get high limits on it, up to $10,000. Now, another thing about this card that people like, or they may not even know, that CareCredit uses Vantage 4. That's right, TransUnion Vantage 4. So, man, that's a low-hanging fruit. If you're talking about rebuilding your credit and stuff like that, getting the CareCredit card, getting the CareCredit, then you can get the CareCredit Mastercard. Okay, because what it'll do, it converts over, all right, once you have it for a certain amount of time. So that's the reason why I tell people, look for the cards that have the lowest hanging fruit. Now, if the CareCredit credit card can help you out, and you can actually do a soft pull credit limit increase with this card. That's another thing that a lot of people are not aware. So if you need a higher limit, now here's the thing about it. Sometimes it depends, because people say, well, they don't never increase my high limit. Well, question is, did you update your rental payments? Did you update your income? Okay, so if you're not doing those things, then it's hard for them to decipher if you're actually going to get a higher limit. Now, I would tell you this, one of the bigger problems for many people when they're trying to do it with any credit card, the biggest problem, when they get a low limit, they won't use the card. People won't use the card. You have to actually use the card. All right, if you want a higher limit, you actually have to use the card, right? And so that's one of the things. Now, there is, for you guys that are probably retired and stuff, like Medicare and stuff, now you have an OTC card, or over-the-counter card as well, that many people don't know. Like, you can buy dog food with it, cat food with it. You know, you can take your, even with the CareCredit, you can take your animal to the veterinarian. You guys have to excuse me, because I am barbecuing. So, you see, I'm And I don't want to burn up the food, then my wife will be mad at me. Yep. Look at that. But just the same, being able to actually use that card to be able to buy food with it. You're not gonna like that. Like you burn my chicken. You burn my chicken. But that's the thing about it is turn the car off and let that heat just rise up and cook it a little more. But that's the thing about it. So many people do not realize that they don't have to go around without having toilet paper in the house, toothpaste, toothbrush and stuff, because they're just not aware of what these here over-the-counter cards can do for them. All right, like I said, buying fruits and vegetables when you need food. Now, again, with the CareCredit, the regular CareCredit, of course, you can't buy gas with it, but toiletries you can. Now, I tell you one thing that one of my associates did one time. He actually took his JCPenney department store card and went to Rite Aid and bought some Visa gift cards. Now, does that still work? I don't know. All right. So I don't know, but he has done that in the past. Now, another card, like I was tell you guys, another card that you really should pay attention to, and it's one of the easier cards to get, is the Home Depot department store card. And the reason I tell you that is because with the Home Depot department store card, you can actually use that to buy Visa gift cards and liquidate those cards. Now, again, like I said, make sure when you go to Home Depot, you do not just go in there and grab those Visa gift cards. You actually want to actually make purchases. Maybe buying a few toiletries and stuff like that. Buying something you actually need, something that you may say, I can use some cleaning supplies and start my own cleaning business or whatever, and then get some Visa gift cards to put gas in your car, or something like that. It's so many ways that we have access to resources, but we're just not aware of. People don't bring it to our attention. Like I always tell you, if you're working a job, first thing you want to do